I'm instructor Jennifer Wallace, and this is Custom Self-Defense. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a little bit of deceitful footwork and how to move in quicker by replacing one foot with another. So this I use more for sparring, and I know most of what I teach is for the street, but there are people who are looking at these videos where they want to improve in other areas. However, it still does work on the street in certain situations. But basically, one of the things I like to do is I like to replace one foot with the next. So for example, if I was facing this direction, or if I was here and I wanted to be able to get into Roger's zone of uncomfortableness quickly, all right, I can walk in, right? Or I can replace this foot with that foot. So a lot of times, especially in sparring, what I'll do is I'll shift to this foot and replace it with that foot, okay? So switch over this foot. So a lot of times what I do is I lean back on this leg, so it seems like I'm far, but if I shift forward, I'm a lot closer than you think I am, okay? So there's a couple ways I'll use this footwork. If Roger's here and he starts to circle, I'm going to replace this foot and shoot this one up, okay? And I'm just going to have you stand up here just to show my distance. So if I'm here, this foot is going to hop to where my foot right here is right now. My other foot is going to shoot, okay? And then I come back. So if you notice, I replace and I come back. So I'm here, shoot, back, okay? It's fast, it's in, and it's out. So it puts me in closer to my opponent, and it takes me back out from my opponent rather quickly, opposed to me stepping in and then kicking, and then stepping back out, okay? And I can cover quite a bit of distance. Right here is easily at least 3 feet from my toe to his toe. And I'm just gonna hop in, shoot, and come back, all right? So one of the ways that you can practice this, you can just step aside, is just replacement. This is also good for shuffling. So if I want to shuffle quickly to my side, I am going to replace, okay? I'm just going to replace my foot with the other foot. And if you notice, I still keep my body straight. My head, shoulders, hips are in line, okay? So I'm just replacing. And I use this a lot with knife defense because I'm trying to get away quickly. Or if I need to close the gap. If I'm here and I'm like, hey, it's cool, and I want to move in, I can shuffle and replace, okay, and get back out. Come over this way. So again, even if I'm not, I like to kick from here, but even if I'm not kicking, right, I can move in fast and move back out, all right? So this is just one little tip on how to move your feet. If you notice when I do this, I don't cross and then lift my foot up. I'm not going to do this. Cross and kick, all right? I am going to completely replace. So I may jump past this foot when I move, okay? I'm pretty far out now. I was close to about 5 feet. So I'm here, okay? I was able to strike. Roger's blocking. In, out, and back out, all right? So that's one way. It's just replacing one foot with the next. Just a quick tip. My name is Instructor Jennifer Wallace, and this is Custom Self-Defense. I hope you enjoyed this video.